Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something exciting lined up. 19 amazing gadgets from Amazon that you absolutely need to check out. From smart tech innovations to clever everyday tools, these gadgets are useful, fun, and some are downright brilliant. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just love discovering cool stuff, there's definitely something here for you. So get your wish list ready, smash that like button, and let's jump right in. The Muzen Wild Radiooo portable Bluetooth speaker blends vintage style with rugged durability, making it ideal for home, outdoor travel, or camping. With a metal outer case, it delivers superior sound clarity through a high-quality NDEB magnetic speaker. Compact and impact-resistant, it features Bluetooth, aux, and FM radio connectivity with excellent signal reception. The user-friendly design includes a mode knob, FM tuner, and shoulder strap. Powered by an 800 mAh battery, it offers up to 10 hours of FM or 6 hours of Bluetooth playtime on a 3-hour charge. The COMICA Ejoy Uni Pro D is a versatile USB wireless gaming microphone designed for streaming, podcasting, and gaming on PC, PS4, and PS5. It supports both wired and wireless modes, offering flexibility and freedom. Equipped with COMICA's CalMix noise cancellation, RGB lighting effects, and real-time monitoring, it ensures clear, professional audio. Features include stepless gain control, a shock mount, and pop filter for stable, noise-free recordings. With 48 kHz 24-bit studio quality sound, it's perfect for Twitch, Discord, and high-quality content creation. The HUT W8 window cleaner robot offers powerful, intelligent cleaning for glass, windows, and marble walls. Featuring 3800 PA self-adjusting suction with HUT Think AI, it ensures strong grip and scratch-free cleaning. Its dual spray system with an 80 milliliter tank provides efficient wet wiping, while laser sensors prevent falls and navigate smart SN and spot cleaning paths. With one key operation, voice prompts, and dry-wet modes, it's user-friendly and precise. Designed for smooth vertical surfaces, it comes with a 30-day return and 12-month warranty. The Gyroor Warrior 8.5-inch off-road hoverboard is a durable, UL 2272 certified self-balancing scooter designed for all-terrain adventures. Built with a strong frame and powered by a 700-watt motor, it features rugged solid tires for smooth rides on grass, dirt, gravel, and wet surfaces. Ideal for adults and beginners alike, it offers easy balance control with built-in self-balancing tech. Enjoy your favorite tunes while riding with its integrated Bluetooth speaker, and light up your path with vibrant LED lights for a fun, safe, and thrilling ride. The FLYNOVA flying ball is a fun, lightweight spinner drone with dazzling RGB lights, perfect for indoor and outdoor play. Designed for safety, its grab-to-stop feature and protective shell make it kid-friendly. This rechargeable, portable toy flies like a boomerang, returning to your hand for endless tricks and fun. Great for sensory play, stress relief, and active entertainment, it's ideal for all ages. A perfect gift or party favor for birthdays, holidays, or classroom rewards, the FLYNOVA flying ball brings excitement and motion to any setting. The VIOMI 800G RO system is a high-efficiency under-sink reverse osmosis water filter certified by NSF ANSI 372, 53, and 42 standards. Featuring 9-stage filtration, it effectively removes TDS, PFOA, PFOS, microplastics, and more with a precision of 0.01 millimeters. Its tankless, compact design saves space and reduces secondary contamination, while the 3:1 pure-to-drain ratio minimizes water waste. The smart LED faucet reminds you when to change filters, and with a 4-year filter life and fast 800 GPD flow rate, it delivers clean, safe water conveniently and sustainably. The EveBot Handheld Food PrintPen is a portable, ergonomic mini printer designed for customizing food surfaces like cookies, macarons, cakes, and foam drinks. It prints text, images, logos, QR codes, and more with ease using Bluetooth 4.2 and the EveBot Snap app. With support for curved surfaces, memory function, and continuous printing, it's ideal for cafes, bakeries, and creative food presentations. Compact and easy to maintain, the PrintPen comes with a 1-year warranty, again making it a reliable and fun tool for DIY edible art and festive gifting. The PROfezzion travel phone holder is a compact, foldable, MagSafe compatible mount designed for iPhone 12 to 16 series and all smartphones with a metal ring. Perfect for travel, it attaches to airplane trays, tables, kitchen cabinets, and more. Featuring 360-degree rotation, strong N52 magnets, and a secure spring clip with silicone pads, it offers flexible viewing and hands-free convenience. With a pocket-sized foldable design and multifunctional use, even as a selfie stick, this travel essential is ideal for flights, desks, and everyday life. Includes metal ring and cleaning accessories. The ZHIYUN FIVERAY M40 is a powerful yet compact 40-watt portable video light designed for creators on the go. Weighing just 320 grams and small enough to fit in your pocket, it delivers a stunning 14,000 lux of brightness with 176 LED chips. With CRI TLCI ratings of 96+, it ensures true-to-life color accuracy, perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or professional photography. Dual wheels allow precise control over brightness and color temperature, 2700K to 6200K. Its adaptive fast-charging USB interface, adjustable stand, and dual 1/4-inch mounts make it versatile and ideal for any setup. The LG 27-inch StanbyME Go 2023 model is a portable 1080p smart touchscreen display with a sleek briefcase design, perfect for on-the-go entertainment. Featuring a fully adjustable screen, built-in battery, and wireless connectivity, it offers flexibility for any setting. Powered by WebOS, it supports smart features like LG channels and delivers an immersive viewing experience with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. With touch controls, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, and HDMI support, it's ideal for streaming, browsing, or pairing with smartphones, all in a calming beige finish. The Rolls electric lighter is a sleek, retro-style rechargeable plasma lighter designed for both function and flair. Crafted from durable metal and finished in gray, it features angled dual arcs for versatile use, perfect for lighting candles, barbecues, fireworks, and more. USB rechargeable with a long-lasting 280 mAh battery, it eliminates the need for disposable lighters and works even in windy conditions. Lightweight and compact, it makes a unique and practical gift for gamers, gadget lovers, or anyone who appreciates cool, nostalgic tech. Ideal as a birthday or stocking stuffer gift. The PolySync 20 Plus is a versatile Bluetooth smart speakerphone designed for seamless communication and premium audio. It connects to smartphones via Bluetooth and to PCs Macs via the included BT600 dongle for enhanced sound quality. Equipped with a multi-microphone array and full duplex audio, it delivers clear conversations with echo and noise reduction. Slim, portable, and IP64 water resistant, it offers up to 20 hours of battery life and doubles as a phone charger and music speaker. Certified for Microsoft Teams and Zoom, it's perfect for remote work and on-the-go professionals. The Aries Wing dual monitor arm desk mount is a heavy-duty solution for 17 to 49-inch ultra-wide monitors, including 1000R curved screens supporting up to 44 pounds per arm. Built from premium steel and aluminum, its full-motion gas spring arms offer 50 degrees to plus 20 degrees tilt, thigh 90 degrees swivel, 360 degrees rotation, and vertical stacking flexibility, enhancing both work and gaming setups. With adjustable height and extension, a built-in cable management system, and easy installation via C-clamp or grommet. This mount frees up desk space while delivering durable, ergonomic support. The Kinetic desk toy is a precision-crafted metal spinning ball that creates a mesmerizing optical illusion when in motion. Designed to relieve stress and boost focus, it's perfect for adults and kids alike, whether you're at work, studying, or just need a mental break. Lightweight and portable, it spins smoothly on any flat surface and is made of durable anodized aluminum with a vibrant finish. Ideal for easing anxiety, aiding focus, and breaking bad habits, it also makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. A fun, functional way to relax and inspire creativity. The XWin AC 100-watt laptop power bank is a powerful and portable charging solution with a 20,800 mAh capacity, capable of charging up to 5 devices simultaneously. Featuring a 100-watt AC outlet, 60-watt USB-C PD fast charging, dual USB ports, and a 10-watt wireless charging pad. It's compatible with laptops, tablets, phones, and more. Compact and travel-ready, it offers intelligent safety features like temperature control and overcharge protection. Ideal for business trips, travel, or emergencies, it's a reliable backup power source for all your devices. The Kuject X-Large shoe storage boxes come in a 12-pack of durable, stackable, and clear plastic containers designed to fit men's shoes up to size 11 and women's up to size 12. ideal for organizing entryways, closets, or under bed spaces. These modern, foldable bins offer a dust-proof and breathable alternative to traditional racks and cabinets. Built with strong ABS material and a reinforced frame, each box supports over 10 kilograms. Versatile in use, they're perfect for storing not just shoes, but also clothes, toys, and household items with ease and efficiency. The ESR MagSafe car mount charger with CryoBoost is a fast, magnetic wireless charger designed for iPhone 12 to 16 series and Samsung Galaxy S25 models with magnetic case. Featuring CryoBoost technology, it keeps your phone cool for optimal charging speeds, even during navigation. Its strong magnetic lock ensures secure mounting on air vents or dashboards, while adjustable angles provide the perfect view. With support for up to 5 devices, this charger combines fast charging, stability, and convenience, making it an ideal hands-free solution for drivers on the go. The FlexiSpot V9 3-in-1 exercise bike is a versatile, all-in-one fitness solution, combining a stationary bike, adjustable desktop, and ergonomic seat. Perfect for home use, it lets you work, browse, or relax while staying active. Built with durable alloy steel, it supports up to 300 pounds and features 8 resistance levels for customized workouts. The adjustable seat and desktop accommodate users from 5'1" to 6'2", making it ideal for the whole family. Quiet magnetic resistance and a built-in LCD display make it a convenient way to boost health and productivity at home. The ZHIYUN 3-in-1 charging station is a sleek Qi 2 certified wireless charger that powers your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously with 15 watts fast charging. Its auto-rotating MagSafe stand allows hands-free viewing while charging, making it perfect for FaceTime or watching videos. Designed for minimalism and travel, this compact station fits easily on desks or nightstands. It includes a 30 watts adapter, USB-C cable, and 12-month warranty, offering a complete, clutter-free charging solution for all your Apple essentials. And that wraps up our list of 19 amazing Amazon gadgets you need to try. If you saw something you liked, let us know your favorite in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the coolest new finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.